So today we're going to be testing these two minerals here. For this I chose the pyrite, fool's gold, and the hematite as well. Now, the reason I chose these two materials is because you get the kind of cool reaction from these two, and this one just cut deeper into glass. Now, to start off, we're going to go with the color. This is obviously pretty jet black. It has a glassy kind of luster to it. It refracts light very well. While the pyrite is gold. It's full gold. As you move it in the light, it shimmers with a mirror-like glassy luster to it. Now, for the actual test, we're going to start here with the hardness of it. Now, when you start with hardness, when you test hardness, it goes by a scale of can it scratch a penny, can a penny scratch it, can a knife scratch it, can it scratch a knife, and also glass. Can this scratch glass, and will glass scratch it? Now, I start from the top and work my way down. So we're going to start at the top here with a piece of glass. Now you can see here the pyrite scratches it pretty well, pretty easily, and is not going to wipe off. Right there. Now, we're going to move on to the penny now. Good old, what is this? 2017 Abraham Lincoln. You can see that right there. Focus. It's scratched right to the right of his head. Now here, it actually scraped off a decent chunk off the edge of the street. Now for hematite. It does not scratch the surface of the glass. Nothing to it. Now here, penny. It actually creates a little divot in the penny. Right there under that line. Now, the penny to the hematite. Leaves a tiny copper color to it right there. Alright. So the next thing we're going to test is going to be the streak of it. I have a tile here. I'm going to grab this guy and go across this, and it actually left a black mark on the tile. You can see that there. Right there. Now, the hematite, we're going to follow right next to it. It left a tiny bit of a black mark. Not as prominent, but it's still there. Let's see. Now, cool part of the test is to see if these are magnetic. So one magnet right here. We have the pyrite and we have the hematite. Oops. The pyrite is unaffected, while the hematite, let's see if we can get it to stick on here. Oops. It's reactive. This one. Dance a bit. Anyway, and for my personal test, I said an easy thing to test would be if it's affected by fire. If fire is applied to it, flame, heat. So we're going to start with the hematite here, carefully. Oops. you apply this here, nothing's happening. Now to the pyrite. Put that on there. Nothing's happening, nothing's changing. It's all staying pretty copacetic. And those are the way you test minerals.